Today we'll discuss ITR 3. The first step is to log into e-filing portal, select the income tax return, select the assessment year, select the mode of filing, that is offline, select whether it is original return or revised return. If you are audited under 44AB or political party as per 13A, select yes or no, select the ITR form and click continue. And now it will give you these options. First, you'll have to click on download offline utility and download the Excel version of ITR 3. Then you have to download the pre-filled data, the JSON file, so that you could update the ITR return with the JSON file. So download this and then open the income tax return and click import JSON file. Once you click import JSON file, uh, the the data the data would be automatically updated. Import pre-filled data. The data would be automatically updated. Now in the new income tax return, there are other options as well. First is if you are having a business income, you are doing intraday trading or trading in shares, then you have to have a business income, and then you have to select this uh, form 10 IEA. 10 IEA gives you the option to select the new tax structure with income from business and profession. You have to click on this option and manually fill the form in the income tax portal, e-file, e-file forms, and select form 10 IEA and select the new tax structure along with business income and file the same. This is one time in the lifetime you can select whether you can select this form, and this is very important step. Then have you exercised option under 115 BAC of opting out of new tax regime? Select no. Then do you wish to opt out of new tax regime? Select no. Uh, and you give the details which are mentioned over here. If you are director, if you are partner, or any of the details which are mentioned over here, if none of the details are mentioned, then you click on no. Then you have to give the other details, like speculative trading is there, buying and selling of shares is there. You can give the trade name as intraday and equity information and details. Then you uh, you have to share this schedule in case you have business income, or you can mention in case where regular books of accounts are not maintained, you have to mention the sundry debtors, creditors, stock in trade and cash balance. Then comes the trading account. In trading account, you have to give the turnover of the intraday trading and income from intraday trading. If it is profit or loss, if it is loss, then you have to give it in negative. Then in speculative turnover from speculative activity, you have to give the gross profit and turnover from speculative activity. So this is also given. Then part A OI, you have to mention whether it is mercantile or cash basis of accounting, and then quantitative details you do not have to fill the details as may be required. You have to validate all the forms while filling. Then schedule income from salary, income from house property has to be mentioned. Then capital gains has to be mentioned. Capital gains would have to be broken up into income sale proceeds up to 23rd July 2024 and sale proceeds after 23rd July 2024. So this would have to be broken up. This you can do by selecting the period in the capital gains portal of your of your uh, uh, trading account. If the trading account gives capital gain, select the period up to 23rd July for capital gains, and you'll get the figure for up to 23rd July. If the trading account has got capital gain, then select the figure from 23rd 24th July to 31st March 2025, and it will give the figures of capital gain from 23rd July to 31st of March 2025. This you have to give whether it is a profit or loss, and then you have to give CYL, LA and BFLA. Then it will be auto populated. Then CFL would have to be given. Uh, then uh, EI TDS details would have to be given. Once you have validated all the sheets, then you have to uh, click go to uh, go to the first sheet, and you have to calculate tax. It will take some time for processing. You will require really good laptops to work on the same. Uh, so it has calculated the tax. It has calculated the tax, and now you have to uh, uh, generate the JSON file. You'll click on generate JSON, and it will take some time for processing. It will generate the JSON file. Then you have to click OK. you, you have to click OK, and then you have to save the JSON file. For saving the JSON file, first you have to select the folder in which you have to save this file, Excel file, and in the same folder the JSON file would be saved. Click on Save JSON, and the JSON file would be saved. Then you have to log into e-filing portal, select the assessment year type of return, and then attach. You'll have to attach file. You'll have to attach the JSON file which has been generated, and it is validating the return, and it has validation is successful. Then you have to submit the same and do the e-verification. This brings us to the end of the session. Please do like, subscribe the channel. We've seen people are logging onto the channel, viewing the videos, but not subscribing to the channel. We request them to please subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much.